Dumela, welcome back to Botswana class. Today I'll be teaching you 5 things you should not do in Botswana. These are the don'ts. So, number 1 thing that you should not do in Botswana is don't forget to properly greet people, especially the elders or people in the offices. The greetings really go a very long way. So do not forget to do that and do it properly, even if the person is younger than you. It will be much appreciated. Number 2, whenever you are having a traffic violation, which you might have when you are in Botswana, do not, and I repeat, do not try to bribe the police. That one will get you in trouble. No matter how much money you have, if you are in a traffic violation and you are stopped by the police, do not try to bribe them. At least try to ask for forgiveness nicely. Remember the first thing, properly greet them. Number 3, don't drink and drive, or do not drink and drive. A lot of people do it, but don't be one of those people. That will take you straight to jail. You will have to sleep under the protection of the police. I know I'm laughing saying this, but that's not a joke. Number 4, don't act like a tourist. I know this is like confusing, but you see, when you are traveling to, especially when you are in the cities, in the villages it's fine, you can be a tourist and just, look around. But when you are in the city, even local people, those who are staying in the villages, are told when you get to the city, act like you know where you are going. If you don't know where you're going, just act like you know where you're going, and when you see somebody you think it's safe to ask where the place you want to go to is, make sure you ask that person, especially like people who are selling airtime, police officers, security guards. Those are safe people you can ask for directions. And I mean, members of the public, you will have to discern who think will show you the right direction. But if you act like a tourist, you might fall prey to people who are doing mischievous things in the cities. Number 5, with all the things that are listed up there, mind your manners. Whether you are asking somebody direction, and whether you are meeting the police and to ask for directions, so mind your manners. It might not be a big deal for a lot of people, especially when you are in the cities, but if you are in the villages and in the semi-towns, villages, you have to be well behaved, so that your life will be made easier. So the first word that shows that you are well behaved is dumela. If it's a man, you can say dumela ra. If it's a woman, you can say dumela ma. But if you say dumelang, then that's the first step. Then you have to always say dumelang to ask for directions and to ask for help. I hope you have learned something, and if you are traveling to Botswana, I hope this video will be useful for you. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this class. If this is your first time watching us on this channel,
please hit the subscribe button.
Hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads. And if you are learning Botswana, please go to all the other videos that we have made, and you will learn a lot more. Salansen.